If you're new here, I'm Justin, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about SquareSpace, the website builder that's changing the game for people who want to create a killer website without all the coding headaches. Trust me, I've been in your shoes wondering if I need to hire someone or learn some crazy tech stuff just to get a decent website up. But here's the thing, with SquareSpace, you don't need to know a thing about coding. It's a no-code website editor that lets you design a beautiful site just by dragging and dropping things into place. No stress, no complications. You just pick a template, customize it to match your style, and boom, you're good to go. The best part, you don't have to be a designer or tech expert to make your site look professional. It's all about ease of use, and everything's SEO friendly, so your site will automatically be optimized to rank on search engines without you lifting a finger. Plus, it's not just for blogs, whether you're running a business, need a portfolio, or want an online store. Squarespace has templates for all kinds of needs. You'll have your site looking amazing across all devices, desktop, tablet, mobile, all without having to worry about resizing or coding. It's literally that easy. And if you're thinking, all right, is it worth it? Well, let me tell you, Squarespace offers a 14-day free trial with no strings attached. You can dive right in, play around with the editor, see how it works, and if you love it, and I'm sure you will, you can keep your site going. Here's the kicker. If you decide to sign up after your trial, you can use my coupon code to get 10% off your first subscription. How's that for a deal? So, make sure to click the link in the description below to start your free 14-day trial today. And while you're at it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with anyone who might need a simple, powerful way to create their own website. You've got nothing to lose and a whole website to gain. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.